Hey tribe, what it do? It's your girl Kiva in the building. Y'all, it's been a minute. And I missed you guys. Honestly, I'm sorry that I look like a hot mess, but we fresh off a workout right now. And you know what? Unfortunately, I look like what I've been through. Thumbs up, drop an emoji if you're sitting at home also looking a little rough right now. I didn't feel like putting on makeup and switching and making this intro that I look perfect and polished because honestly, 2020 was a rough year and I think a lot of us can relate to feeling rough a little bit, you know, the push through the struggle. But also, today is wash day, baby. We don't need makeup for wash day, do we? Today is a self-care day. And the reason for this video, y'all, is because I gotta put you on. I gotta put you onto something that has changed my life. My protective style game, y'all. And that is this joint right here. Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. We are about to have an experience. If you don't know about this, you're gonna be like, what? Where have I been? Because if you guys follow me on Instagram, I have had these locks in for too long. And to be honest, this is the reason why I was able to do it. Because this has cleansed my protective style like nothing I've ever used before. First of all, the nozzle. Okay, let's get into the nozzle. Direct access to my scalp. Then the micellar technology in it, it's like water-based, water to foam. So it goes in and it just like gets inside the locks. It's getting everywhere without me having to like force the product. And then it's grabbing the dirt and coming out of like, it's, anyways, I'm a little too hyped about this. But we gonna have a whole wash day in detail, y'all. However, wait, sorry, if you're new here, welcome. Welcome to the tribe. But it's not official until you hit subscribe to join the tribe. Why? Because it's popping, it's lit, and it's where you wanna be. So back to this wash day delight that's about to go down, y'all. I'm excited because I've been feeling rough, and when I do wash my hair with this collection, I feel like I'm giving myself self-care, and that is very important right now in this time. We got to keep the stress levels. All right, y'all. So let's go to the bathroom and let's take a shower together. Girl. So as you guys can see, even though it went in watery, it has great lather. It feels super good on your scalp. And as you can see, the product just kind of disperses and really goes a long way. And you guys know already, when you have protective styles in, you use a lot more product. But at least with this, you know, the product goes a long way because it is a little bit lighter and thinner in texture. So once my scalp was nice and emulsified, it was time to move down the hair shaft. So I put a bit more product on that area. But look at that. Just from a few like squirts, look how much it's lathering. And I'm able to just kind of pull the product down from my scalp down the hair shaft so I can get the hair that's inside of the locks clean, as well as all of the locks. Because girl, these things jump into it. One of the things that really impressed me was that the shampoo rinsed out effortlessly. Like, for how much lather it had, it was just flowing right out. The foam was literally just rinsing out. And for me, that was huge because I don't know if you guys have been there before where you spent just so much time trying to get the shampoo out of your locks or your braids or just out of your hair in general. And this was effortless. I was really impressed. Like nothing. Next up, we have Carol Daughter's new transformative Dream Detangler, y'all. It's a jelly to cream conditioner, and it just melts away the tangles, and it basically cuts down your wash day time. It's blended with glycerin, which is a natural derivative ingredient known to lock in the moisture. So even with your protective style, you've got that moisture locked in, okay? So it transforms from like this thick jelly to like a nourishing cream that just hydrates your scalp and hair like from the root to the end, honey, giving you intense moisture even through your protective style. Now this collection does come in a range, so you have the aloe that I'm using now as well as the rose water, but we will save the rose water for another video where we're gonna do that on my real her, honey, so y'all can see. I do really appreciate that this line has everything in it that your hair will love. It's vegan and it contains no parabens or artificial colors. Honestly, I was so happy that my wash time was like cut in half that I have more time to be a fool in the shower. You know how we do. I don't know why, but in there, it's a special time. You just want to be a fool. I don't know, you know? All right, girl, get out. It's time to get out. All right, guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for kicking it with your girl. Huge shout out to Carol Daughter, one, for creating this product, two, for this collaboration, y'all. Because this has definitely changed my life and my whole protective style game. Period. Hands down. All right, guys, until next time, I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said that she